Hi, you were wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. After going through a huge number of hosting sites, I chose the most reliable one for myself. It is packed with features and has almost everything you need from a web hosting service. In this short video, I will show you 5 useful features that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. I will leave the link to the official website below this video. Look carefully at the screen so as not to miss the most important thing.
Hivelocity is a quality web hosting provider that mainly provides plans for medium and large online businesses. The solutions are robust, reliable, and can handle a lot of traffic without slowing down or crashing. Each server plan offers benefits from a combination of fiber connections with 8 backhaul providers, including Level 3, Time Warner, GTT, NTT, Exotelia, Italia, Sparkle, Comcast, and Cogent. If any of these providers fail, multiple redundancies ensure that you and your customers can still access your website. What's more, Hivelocity has more than 300 direct peer-to-peer relationships with partners like Amazon and Google. All of Hivelocity's server plans include most of the bandwidth. That said, 24/7 access to your company's website and data is critical to your bottom line. To maintain uptime and ensure maximum speed, Hivelocity optimizes routing traffic using Noxion's intelligent routing protocol, outperforming standard routing protocols by monitoring congestion and outages and selecting the best routes. Since you don't buy a data plan, the only limitation to your data flow is port bandwidth, and unmeasured ports are available. If you want to see Hivelocity's data centers without worrying about fighting tamper traffic, you can take a virtual interactive tour or check their network speeds on their website. Most companies rely on fast data delivery, but it's even more critical if you're in e-commerce. Chances are your IT department will bear the brunt of your content delivery problems. CDN Hivelocity is pretty standard stuff. You only pay for outgoing data, but the cost depends on the location. If you have a lot of outgoing international data, the cost per gigabyte will be higher for sending to North America. You can instantly delete or block data based on geographic location. Protecting your company's data is challenging for IT managers looking for a hosting solution. Hivelocity uses proprietary software to ensure overall system security, blocking 95% of attacks before reaching the Hivelocity data ecosystem. For an upgrade fee, your company can further improve protection against distributed denial-of-service attacks by directing traffic through a BRIDE. Hivelocity offers a variety of SSL certificates with 128-bit encryption to protect your company's data. Single domain validated certificates or domain validation wildcards are the lowest level of certificates offered. They simply validate your domain name to visitors or customers of your site. Organizational confirmed single domain or wildcard certificates are on the next tier of SSL certificates Hivelocity offers. These are from Komodo. Extended validation single domain certificates are the top tier of SSL certificates Hivelocity offers. This type of certificate makes it very easy for your customers to see that your site has passed authentication. If your company data is compromised somehow, keep in mind that Hivelocity considers backing up your data as an add-on to their hosting plans. Their quick recovery service performs daily backups and gives you the option to restore your entire server, just one file, your operating system, or anything in between 5 days in advance. The cost of rapid restore depends on how much data you want to securely back up. It's worth noting that it's unclear what type of backup systems comes free with the servers you purchase. Rapid recovery is listed only as an upgrade option. Hivelocity's hot offer is instant server deployment. It's not as fast as flicking a switch, but it's pretty darn close. If you choose one of the pre-configured server options, it will be up and running in 7 minutes. Even if you need a custom server, it can be deployed within 24 hours. Given their emphasis on fast server deployment, it's probably apparent that Hivelocity is not the place to host a blog or a small e-commerce site. Dedicated servers and co-location are their specialties, but they also host virtual servers, private clouds, and hybrid server environments. Hivelocity offers a variety of ready-made servers for dedicated hosting, which they call instant provisioning. Instant server deployment applies to dedicated server plans, but not VPS, co-location, or hybrid services. Hivelocity's Junior Instant Upgrade servers come with a single Intel processor at a reasonable price for most small and medium-sized businesses. Single processor servers are great for hosting websites, email servers, storage, voice over internet protocol, development projects, databases, and game servers. If your budget is more significant and you're willing to wait just 4 hours, Hivelocity can deploy a dual processor server with an unmeasured port. These top-tier servers are suitable for users that require more bandwidth or power for development, such as virtual private networks, IP telephony with private boxes, and load balancing. Hivelocity's website states that they can purchase custom quad processor servers if your needs require it, such as enterprise hosting or data mining. Still, they don't specify prices for these customizations. It's safe to assume that these high-end servers will cost far more than even the highest cost listed on their website. Adopted servers are likely to take more than 4 hours to deliver, but Hivelocity claims to deploy customized servers within 24 hours. You can see the range of prices and specs available on instant upgrade servers and customized servers without even talking to a Hivelocity sales representative. Their prices and specs are listed right on the Hivelocity homepage. For IT managers, Hivelocity's transparent pricing, detailed server specifications, and fast processing can save a lot of time if you know exactly what you're looking for. By default, almost all new servers come standard with SSDs. Although many web hosts bundle SSDs into their web hosting packages, this is by no means standard, especially since SSDs are much more expensive than their traditional hard drive counterparts. Although SSDs are much faster than traditional hard disks, some may not use SSDs. What's interesting is that Hivelocity offers such users the option to downgrade to a standard spinning disk drive if they prefer.